Alright, welcome to Manila Box Breaks number 400. It's an 8-box mixer, multi-year. So kahit anong team sana mabawi ng mga multi-year natin. Rookie year of Giannis, rookie year of Devin Booker and Jokic, rookie year of Tatum, Spida, Lonzo to an extent. Break Kings 3 slabs. Select 2021 and of course Noir. We're gonna end with that one. Nood lang kayo guys, gonna be a fun one. Now we have Wesley Matthews, we have an auto, rookie, Kristaps Porzingis. So an auto for clear vision isn't guaranteed. Wow, Ray Allen. Okay, nice. 103 of 149 for Milwaukee. Let's open Pinnacle next. This is 300 cards. 2 autographs, 1 memo. Hopefully we can pull a Giannis rookie, Kobe auto, Kevin Durant auto, Steph Curry auto. You know the works. Sana makakuha tayo ng ganun. It's a big boy. This is first quarter clear vision. Steph Curry. What the fuck? Ganda nito ah. What the heck? Warriors. Elvin Hayes. LeBron James awaiting the call. Miami. This is Jason Kidd for a new Joycey. Next, you have a clear vision 2 of 24. They numbered. Boom. George Gervin, San Antonio, 2 of 24. Third quarter. Shane Larkin. Giannis! Yun. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Dirk Nowitzki. I don't know what parallel this is, pero maganda. I keep saying that. Ano bang tawag dito? Congrats, Amir Johnson. Kobe! Sana may auto ni Kobe. KD, sana may auto din. LeBron, ganda naman ng pack ni LeBron. The Naturals. Pucha, naka pa tayo na Giannis. Woo! Naka-etch. I think it's called etch. Nice Giannis etch. Ano to? Tim Duncan, The Naturals. It's 12 of 99. Wow, San Antonio. Nice Giannis. Ito na. Is this number? Museum collection. May museum collection ba nakalagay sa likod? Ah, wala. Ayan oh. Museum collection. Okay. Nice. Museum collection Giannis. Not sure how much this is kapag but check later. This is Jam Fest. James Harden. Not sure if it's numbered. Position powers, Tim Duncan. Not numbered. Jason Terry. Uy, pucha, 1 of 1. Ooh. Pero Dwight Bikes. 1 of 1. Ano yan? Dwight Bikes. THJ, nice one. Uy, rookie year pala ni CJ McCollum to. Nakalimutan ko. David Lee. Dennis Schroeder. Mr. 120 million and Tabo Cephalosha. Uy, Tim! Carmelo Anthony Artist Proof. The Naturals. Solid. Tristan Thompson next. Ito yung Pinnacles of Success. Steve Kerr, San Antonio. Pinnacle of Success signatures for the Spurs. Alright, let's check our auto. Sana rookie na matino. Cielo. 100. Pinnacle. Autographs. Jeff Waity. Pucha. Pelicans. Let's open Break Kings. Break Kings tayo after this one. Break Kings na tayo. So ito yung 3 slabs. Sensational signatures. Nikhil Alexander Walker. PSA 8, sensational auto, Pelicans. I wish it was Zion, but we have a silver prism, Lonnie Walker. Puro Spurs! PSA 10, silver prism, Lonnie Walker. And last one, Jaylen Brown, Panini Studio for Boston. This is a rookie year, PSA 10. Congrats. Let's open Cornerstones next. 17-18. Sana makaano tayo. We get some good ones. Na Tatum, Spida or a downtown, Kobe Auto is what we're looking for. Always wanted to pull a Kobe Auto. Sana matupad ngayong gabi. May chances pa na. Well, we got one more chance to pull it, but hopefully it's here. 45, 165, Zach Randolph. Okay. Avery Bradley for the Clippers. What's this? FVV? No. Fred VanVleet. Keystone Signatures. Wow. All right. 45 of 49 for Toronto. Unbreakables. Sean Kemp. It's not numbered. Hindi siya numbered, diba? OKC will take this one. Alright, Klay Thompson, 109 of 165 for the Warriors. Dragon Bender, 8 of 89 for Phoenix. Next, we have Andrew Wiggins. Kala ko AI? Andrew Wiggins. Teka lang ah. Andrew Wiggins for the Timberwolves. Next, this is green. Tatum. No, it's not. Quartz. Abdul Nader. Rookie ba to? Wow, 55 of 75. Hindi siya rookie. Next, we have Unbreakables. Zach Randolph nga. Pucha, kanina pa to ah. Tim. Zach Randolph. It looks like a 1 of 1, no? Yung Unbreakables. 152. Ooh! Lonzo. 144 of 199. Rookie card. Nice. First select 2021, boys. Charlotte, Minnesota, Sacramento, the other teams. This is your time to shine. Hopefully, it's a good one to us. Hopefully, we get a tie-dye, courtside, zebra. What else? Snake skin is first of the line, no? So we got Zeke Naji. Alright. Oh, Tyrese Halliburton. Nice, nalagay ko to sa gitna. We have a tricolor for Nikola Jokic. Nice tricolor Jokic. Next one at the back. This is a premiere of Rudy Gobert. Joel Embiid, tricolor. This is a premiere. And a Joel Embiid. Ay! Premiere, Joel Embiid. Tricolor, premiere, Joel Embiid. Nice. James Harden. Jason Tatum. Kmart. We have Colin Sexton Hollow. And a Aaron Gordon. Courtside. Devin Vassell to 249 for the San Antonio Spurs. Congrats, San Antonio. Davis Bertans. James Wiseman. Ano tawag dito? Ano tawag dito? James Wiseman for the Warriors. Congrats on that one. Next, we have for the New York Knicks, Julius Randle, Premier. Brody. Peyton Pritchard for Boston. Trae Young, Atlanta. Next, we have Aaron Naismith. Alright, let's check this one. TJL. TJ Leaf. X Factor. Wow. Next, we have EDW. Anthony Edwards. Nice. Overall, #1 draft pick. Nice for the Wolves. Blue. AHR. Penny Hardaway. Nice one. That goes to Orlando. Kawhi Leonard. Tyrese Halliburton, #2. Nice. Next, we have Sadiq Bey, Select Future for Detroit. Next, we have CP3 for Phoenix and Derek White for the Spurs. Next, you have a die cut for the Thunder Poku. Nice premier level. Die cut Poku. This is numbered. And Gary Harris, premier. 142 of 249. Congrats on the Poku. Tricolor, Tyrell Terry, and James Wiseman Premier. Nice. Obi Toppin. Silver for the Knicks. LB. Si LB. LeBron. Lamelo Ball. Okay. Nice. Okay. That's ano pala, Charlotte. Congrats. DS siya. Si siya. Charles Barkley. Duet selections for the Sixers and the Rockets. Ira-random to. Alright, Noir. Good luck. Alright, sana God box please. Bit heavy, pero I'm not sure kung mabigat nga ba talaga. First one. Kung pwede lang 20 mats ibayad. For Phoenix, rookie ba? Not a rookie. Oh shit, rookie nga. Jalen Smith for Phoenix. For the Golden State Warriors, Stephen Curry, 26 of 99. Alright, we got a Backle. We have Isaac Okoro, 19 of 25 for the Cavaliers. Next. Kaya nabok yan. This is Jumbo Material. 5 of 99 for Phoenix again. This is Giannis for Milwaukee. Jesus, what is going on? I don't know. Freeze frame signatures. Calvin Murphy for Houston, 59 of 99. Freeze frame signatures again. Walt Frazier for New York. Silver screen. Last one. Emmanuel Quickly, 89 of 99 for New York again. Alright, Andrew Wiggins, Gordon Hayward, Jeff Whitty, ito nandito, Anthony Bennett, Carmelo Anthony, CJ Mack, Tim Duncan, Dirk Nowitzki, Andrew Bynum, Rocco, Kelly Oubre, TJ McConnell, Duet Selections, Charles Barkley, Otto Porter Jr., Emmanuel Quickly, Premier, Elijah Hughes, Obi Toppin. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Poku, Halliburton, Penny Hardaway, TJ Leaf, X Factor, Aaron Naismith, Denny, Cole Anthony Premier, Tim Hardaway, Tie-Dye, Joel Embiid, Nikola Jokic, Abdul Nader, Walt Frazier, 41 of 99. Calvin Murphy, 59 of 99. Chris Kaman, 73 of 99. Out of 99, Giannis. Superstar. Cam J. Steph Curry. Jalen Smith. Yung mga slabs natin. PSA 8. Nikhil Alexander Walker. Jalen Brown. PSA 10. And Silver Prism, Lonnie Walker. Giannis. And a Giannis base, dalawa. Kristaps Porzingis, our rookie patch, 20 of 25. Clear vision signatures, Anthony Edwards. 1 of 1, Dwight Bikes. George Gervin, this is numbered 2 of 24. Lonzo, 144 of 199. 48 of 99, Steve Kerr, Pinnacles of Success. Ray, James Wiseman, Ant-Man, Devin Vassell, numbered. Isaac Okoro, Halliburton, Freddie V, Steph Curry, Dirk Nowitzki, Lamelo, Quickly, out of 99. So thank you so much, guys. Thanks for joining our 400. Thanks sa mga nanonood.